Hey guys, welcome back to another video. ThermalTake is renowned the world over for their leading spot in PC customization and modification products, and the Core V21 is just a tip of the iceberg. In my opinion, I believe the Core V21 is the most versatile, most adaptable and cleverly designed cases possibly of all time. So let me explain to you why. Inside this 50 by 40 by 40 centimeter chassis, ThermalTake have managed to squeeze in the possibility of up to 6 data storage devices, a dual expansion slot, VGA of up to 350mm in length, and a tower CPU cooler of up to 185mm in height, even with a high wattage PSU of up to 200mm in length, plenty of space available for cable management, and two 240mm radiators can be installed, delivering superior cooling performance. But it doesn't just stop there, mind. Because of the clever modular design, you can unclip and clip almost every part of this case, allowing you to put the case either on your left hand side or the right hand side of your desk, due to being able to mount your motherboard in a vertical or horizontal orientation. Being also stackable means you can, say, put your water cooling pumps or wiring and storage in the basement case, and say your motherboard, GPU and fans in the top one maybe. The possibilities are absolutely endless. Also, because each side panel can be taken off and placed on another side of the chassis, ThermalTake thought way ahead, and I mean way ahead, and made the front panel and I/O panel detachable, and the front logo magnetic as well. So let's put this into perspective for you. So you could, for example, have your window on the side or on the top. You can also have the ability to rotate the front panel and move the I/O panel as well. So you can completely customize this case to match your personality. Oh, just to mention, if you're not a fan of the mesh sides, they are only magnetic and can easily be removed. But I personally can't make up my mind about leaving them on or off, as on makes the sides look more sleek and straight. Being so flexible, no wonder so many esports professionals use this case. So if you have a micro ATX motherboard and being this case is priced at a mere £54, the case gets a solid gold from me, and will also be on my personal recommendations list, because this case really is that damn good. Oh, it's true. It's damn true. So if you want to buy this case, click on the affiliate link in the description below, and it will also give my channel a little kickback to help me produce more content just like this. So thank you very much for watching today. If you did like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that dislike button if you didn't, and why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. So see you then.